Hey guys, welcome back, and today I'm excited to share you something super useful for all the mini four-wheel drive racers. A new 3D printed Portapit divider made by Kaizen Circuit Mini 4-wheel drive hobby shop. Now let's first talk about the material. Now this is a 3D printed, so it's lightweight and durable. Now the plastic is not thin, unlike other 3D printed products. Okay. Alright, so let's try to put it inside our Portapit. So just slide it here. Okay, as you can see, there's like a mark here wherein you can just have to align it here. Okay, so expect guys that this will be a bit tight. Okay, and that's good so that it won't come out or come off, sorry, easily. Okay, so there you have it. Now you can put this either here or on the bottom. Okay, then let's try to put our BMAX car inside. Let's see if it will fit. And yep, good, all goods. Now this will add flair and style to your Portapit. Now if you use this divider, this will limit the number of cars that you can store in your Portapit. I believe you can only put 4 cars max. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, if you like this product, just message Kaizen Circuit Mini 4 Drive Hobby Shop on Facebook to place your order. So that's it for our quick product review, and as always, stay safe and keep on racing. See ya! We are inviting you to visit the Attic Yarn and Hobby Studio in Marikina City and experience a wonderful time building and playing with your Tamiya car. We have daily fun race, time attack, and monthly tournament. Track layout changes every month to make things challenging. I hope you learned something from this video. Stay safe and have fun racing.